let us find the LCM of 8 and 12 using multiples method. Please follow the below steps so that you do not make any mistakes. Step 1. Find the multiples of each given integer. We know that multiples of a given number can be obtained by multiplying the given number by the natural numbers beginning with 1. So, multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, and so on. Similarly, the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and so on. Step 2. Identify the common multiples among the given integers. Observe carefully the common multiples of 8 and 12 are 24, 48, 72, and so on. Got it? Step 3. Take the least among the common multiples. Here, 24 is the least common multiple. Therefore, LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. This means that 24 is the least positive integer that is divisible by both 8 and 12 exactly without leaving any remainder. Got it? Similarly, I have solved another question to find the LCM of 6, 8, and 12 using multiples method. It is self-explanatory. Please go through it. Thank you for watching. If this video found useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.